Hello, it's English Spring on Call. How can I help you today?
Hi, it's bad weather today. It's dark, the sky is gray, and it's rainy. And even at home, I feel like it's freaking cold outside.
Are you feeling some kind of depression?
Oh, wait, I feel some kind of sadness, but definitely no depression.
That is great to hear, ma'am. I'm glad you are okay. And now, a little English lesson. How would you describe both your mood and the weather with just one word? Any guesses?
It's a gloomy day, with gray skies and rain. I have felt gloomy all day, and my children have looked gloomy as well.